Great. Hello, today we're launching at the NRA show, we're launching the CLX product line. It's a 3M high flow series CLX. The unique feature about this product is it is dual rated for both chlorine and chloramine reduction. Chlorine and chloramines are both used as disinfectants in water. Chloramine is getting a lot of popularity these days. A majority of US population is now being served with chloramines. The problem with traditional water filters that use standard activated carbon is that it does not reduce chloramines. Even some of the filters that do reduce chloramines, they do not have enough capacity. But this CLX line that we're featuring at this show has a lot more capacity for chloramine reduction. So why is chloramine important? There are two main applications. One is a soda machine application. So if we have diet drinks and syrups like that, the taste of those syrups are negatively impacted because of presence of chloramine. But if you have other applications like steamers and espresso machines, chloramines attack the stainless steel and would start corroding those stainless steel metals. So if you're looking to protect those expensive pieces of equipment, you should consider the 3M High Flow Series CLX. Thank you.